How to add stops on Lyft. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. First of all, you want to open up Play Store or App Store on your device and search for Lyft. Then you simply want to install this application on your device. Now tap on the open button. If this is the first time that you're using this application, you first want to create your account. For that, simply enter your mobile number, then enter the OTP code that you have received on your number, and then you will be able to log into your account. Once you have been logged in, you want to click on the option of where are you going. Then here you want to select your current location. After that, you want to select your destination. Now, if you want to add a stop, you want to tap on the plus icon over here. Once you tap on it, you will be able to add stops. You can also choose if you want to add a stop before your destination or if you want to add stop after the destination. For that, you want to tap on this switch arrow. You also have to remember that fees apply if you add a stop. Wait time fees apply at a per minute rate if you add a stop. Try to keep stops under 5 minutes. Your driver can end the ride if your stop exceeds 5 minutes. Riders with valid waiver for disability are exempt from wait time fees. Rate may vary by ride type. Once you have added your stop and the destination, you can simply add the pickup spot and then click on the confirm and request option, and this is how you can add stops on Lyft. If you have any questions or confusions, do leave them on the comment section, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.